In this video, I'll guide you through how to get an Excel Coinbase statement. If you need to review your transaction history in Microsoft Excel or send it to your accountant or bookkeeper, Coinbase makes the process straightforward. While Coinbase doesn't provide a native Excel file format, it does allow you to download your statements as CSV files, which can be opened directly in Excel for sorting, filtering, and analysis. Keep in mind that the Coinbase interface may look slightly different depending on your region or future updates, but the overall process remains very similar. I'm already signed in to my Coinbase account and on the home screen. From here, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. In the menu that appears, select Manage Profile to open your account settings. Once you're inside the account settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Statements. This section contains all of your available account statements, along with options for creating custom reports. If you're looking for one of your recent monthly statements, simply find the statement you want to download. You'll notice several download formats available, including HTML, PDF, and CSV. Since CSV files can be opened directly in Microsoft Excel, that's the option you'll want to choose. Just click CSV next to the statement you need, and the file will download to your computer. If you need a report covering a different date range, Coinbase also lets you generate a custom report. On the right side of the page, you'll find options to select the time period that works best for you. For example, you can generate a year-to-date report or choose another date range if you need records for an entire calendar year. After selecting the report period, make sure the output format is set to CSV before generating the report. This ensures the downloaded file is compatible with Microsoft, Excel, and other spreadsheet applications, allowing you to organize, filter, and analyze your transaction data with ease. Once the report is finished generating, simply download the CSV file and open it in Excel. From there, you can work with the data however you need, whether that's preparing tax documents, reviewing trading activity, or sharing the file with your financial professional. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can download your Coinbase statement in a format that opens directly in Microsoft Excel. If you found this guide helpful, consider leaving a like, and thanks for watching.